how I refresh the soil in my GreenStalk vertical gardens every year. And what is the secret to great GreenStalk soil? The answer at the end of this video.
So I just dumped out the entire tier of soil onto this tarp, and gosh, look at that mass of roots. All I had growing in this was some arugula and some Swiss chard, and the roots have come and circled all the way at the bottom of the green stalk. The soil is so nice and light and fluffy, the roots really tend to take over. I like to shake off as much of the soil. We spent a lot of money on that soil. I don't want to waste any of it.
Remove all the messy roots and old plants. Some people leave these in their green stalks, and you can do that. I just prefer to remove them because it's easier to plant when there's no roots kind of sticking around. Okay, so what ingredients do I use to amend my green stock? The first and most important ingredient is compost. I prefer to use my own homemade compost, but you can use store-bought as well.
The next ingredient is perlite, and then I like to add some slow release fertilizer as well. Just a handful. Okay, maybe 2 handfuls. And then my favorite and secret ingredient, my homemade worm castings. Look at that cute worm.
I also like to add some fresh leaves to feed my worms. Mix it all up, put it back in your green stock, and you're good to go for another season. Remember that the secret to great green stock soil is the lightness of it.